Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to install HardReset M300 mobile app. So as you see, there's the HardReset Dash Cam, and all you need to do to install the app, just click into the Play Store, then click search and type on 7 and this will pop up. Click into the first one and click install. Wait for it to verify. Then as you see, it's already installing, and after it's installed, all you need to do just click open and enjoy your new application. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.